Welcome to this video about the Grandstream Home app. This free mobile application is designed specifically for home users and offers advanced controls for more experienced users. The app will keep you connected to your home network whether you are on-site or on the go. It is compatible with the Grandstream router models GWN7062E and GWN7062ET. Grandstream Home app is available for free download on both Android and iOS. Download and install the app on your mobile device. If this is your first time using the application, you need to create an account using a valid email address. After the account is activated, use the login credentials to access the application. To successfully add a GWN router to your home app, you will need the router MAC address and the initial password, which are printed on the barcode label. There are two main methods to add GWN routers to the app. Manual entry can be used when you don't have physical access to the router, but you have the MAC address and the initial password. Barcode scan can be used when you have physical access to the router. Just open the app's scanner feature, point your phone camera at the device label, and the app automatically reads and populates the MAC and the initial password. It is important to note that a GWN router won't be successfully added to your home app if it is already controlled by another GS Home app account. Factory reset on the router must be performed before it can be reassigned to your account. Also, if you decide to add a GWN router that is already configured and deployed, the app will prompt you to confirm the current login password. This security step prevents unauthorized transfer of device ownership and ensures that your network management remains secure. If you need a guided step-by-step process, the model-based wizard simplifies initial device setup. Select the GWN model you are planning to add, and GS Home will launch the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the router to your account and configure some basic settings. The added devices will be displayed under the home page. You can manage the devices that you've added to your account by assigning them to a specific home network or a room. To add a room to the existing home network, tap Home and select Room Management. Enter the room name or select from the suggested room names. To move a device to a different room, touch and hold the device. Tap Move and select the room you want to move the device to. To configure and manage a GWN router, tap the device and the app will open the management interface. It offers real-time monitoring and remote actions like configuration changes, firmware updates, and access control. To view the device's notifications, tap the bell icon and it will list the operation logs with the timestamp. To view device information, tap the device and it will display information such as the MAC address, serial number, software version, etc. Tap the Wi-Fi settings tile to manage the SSID parameters. The SSID configuration page allows you to make changes to the SSID name and password. You can also set the frequency band and encryption protocol for your home Wi-Fi. A Wi-Fi QR code is automatically generated and can be shared with users to connect instantly without typing the password. To display and share the QR code, tap this icon. A separate Wi-Fi network can be added for guests with a unique SSID name and password. By default, it is turned off, but you can enable it to isolate guest devices from your home Wi-Fi, protecting personal data and devices. You can customize the guest Wi-Fi parameters, such as changing the SSID name and password. You can share the QR code with guests to provide them with convenient and passwordless access to Wi-Fi. Clients connected to the network are listed in the Client Management interface. They are organized into three categories: online, offline, and wireless clients that are blocked from accessing the network. The list of online devices includes both wired and wireless clients with the upload and download rate that is frequently updated. Click a client from the list to view mode details such as the MAC address, IP address, and connection duration. Use block access to deny Wi-Fi access to online and offline clients. Parental control can be customized for each connected client to restrict content, block specific websites and apps, and set internet access schedules. The App Control interface includes a list of hundreds of apps that you can block or allow access to it. You can block a specific app or a category of apps. Web category control can also be used to restrict access to a specific category of websites. In addition, parental control includes settings for internet access duration and scheduling. You can define time ranges to block internet access for specific days and set the internet duration limit. Tap Done to apply the changes. The Parental Control tile displays online and offline clients that are assigned a control profile. Tap a client from the list and you will get the control dashboard to make changes to the profile or set new rules. You can tap this option to add another device to this control profile. Tap this icon to choose whether to allow internet access to devices not under parental control. If set to deny, devices that are not under parental control will be denied internet access. The Add icon is used to set a new parental control profile for a specific device or group of devices. In addition to Wi-Fi and access control parameters, GS Home offers advanced settings for system configuration. Internet settings allow you to make changes such as defining static DNS servers or changing the connection type based on your ISP requirements. The Wi-Fi general settings include key parameters such as channel width, channel selection, and radio power adjustment. These parameters can be adjusted by experienced users to reduce interference and improve Wi-Fi performance. Channel dynamic optimization can be enabled to automatically optimize channel selection based on interference and congestion levels. To keep your router up to date, tap the Router Upgrade tile. You can upgrade the device to the latest available firmware by tapping Upgrade Detection, or you can simply enable automatic firmware updates based on a recurring schedule. The other features available under Advanced Settings include Factory Reset, Schedule-based LED control, and Security Firewall, which safeguards against basic common threats. The Intelligent Detection feature in the GWN7062 routers helps users diagnose and troubleshoot various network and system performance issues. This tool provides a comprehensive analysis of security, connectivity, internet failures, and mesh node connections. To set up a wireless mesh network using the GWN7062 routers, add a mesh node and follow the on-screen pairing instructions to add and sync a mesh node. This concludes today's video about the Grandstream Home app. Thank you for watching.